Did you know that cardamom is more than just a fragrant spice? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of this ancient gem that can transform your health in surprising ways. Now, you might be thinking, cardamom? Isn't that just something you add to your chai or curry? Well, yes, but it's so much more than that. This ancient spice has been cherished in various cultures for its potent medicinal properties and delightful flavor. Cardamom deserves your attention for several reasons. For starters, it's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential oils that can enhance your health in ways you probably never imagined. In today's video, we'll be exploring 5 surprising benefits of cardamom that you likely didn't know about. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to incorporate this magical spice into your daily routine. So stick around as we unravel the mysteries of cardamom and reveal how it can be a game changer for your health. Alright, let's get started. First up, cardamom is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting digestive health. Have you ever experienced bloating or indigestion after a heavy meal? Cardamom can be your go-to remedy. This spice contains compounds that stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, helping break down food more efficiently. For centuries, traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda have used cardamom to treat various digestive issues. It can alleviate symptoms like nausea, gas, and constipation. The essential oils in cardamom also have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe your stomach lining and promote a healthy gut. To reap these benefits, try adding a pinch of ground cardamom to your tea or coffee. You can also chew on a few cardamom pods after meals to aid digestion and freshen your breath simultaneously. For an extra boost, you might want to try a cardamom and ginger tea blend. Ginger is another powerful digestive aid, and when combined with cardamom, it creates a potent remedy for digestive discomfort. Next on our list is detoxification. In today's world, our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from processed foods, pollution, and even stress. Cardamom acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse your body from the inside out. The spice has diuretic properties, meaning it promotes urine production and helps flush out toxins from your kidneys. This can be particularly beneficial for maintaining healthy kidney function and preventing urinary tract infections. Cardamom is rich in antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. These antioxidants support liver function, enhancing its ability to detoxify your bloodstream effectively. Incorporate cardamom into your diet by adding it to smoothies or even sprinkling some on your oatmeal. Your body will thank you for the extra detox support. For an added detoxifying effect, you can try making a detox water with cardamom, lemon, and mint. Simply crush a few cardamom pods, slice a lemon, and add a handful of mint leaves to a jug of water. Let it infuse overnight in the refrigerator and enjoy a refreshing detox drink the next day. Did you know that cardamom can also work wonders for your oral health? This spice has been used for centuries as a natural breath freshener and oral disinfectant. Cardamom's antibacterial properties help combat the bacteria responsible for bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Chewing on cardamom pods can not only freshen your breath, but also reduce the risk of developing oral infections. The essential oils in cardamom stimulate saliva production, which is crucial for maintaining oral hygiene. Saliva acts as a natural cleanser for your mouth, washing away food particles and bacteria that can lead to tooth decay. For an easy oral health boost, simply chew on a cardamom pod after meals or brew some cardamom tea and use it as a mouth rinse. If you prefer a more integrated approach, try making your own natural mouthwash by steeping cardamom pods in boiling water along with a few cloves. Let it cool and use it as a mouth rinse for fresh breath and improved oral hygiene. Moving on to mental well-being, cardamom has some surprising benefits here too. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, this spice might just be what you need to lift your spirits. Cardamom contains compounds that have been shown to have antidepressant effects. The aroma alone can be incredibly soothing and help reduce stress levels. Inhaling the scent of cardamom essential oil can trigger the release of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters responsible for feelings of happiness and relaxation. Also, consuming cardamom can help improve cognitive function and memory. Its antioxidant properties protect brain cells from oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Try adding cardamom to your evening tea or diffusing cardamom essential oil in your living space for a calming effect. You might find yourself feeling more relaxed and mentally sharp. For a soothing bedtime ritual, mix a few drops of cardamom essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or almond oil, and massage it into your temples and wrists. This can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Next, let's talk about how cardamom supports respiratory health. If you suffer from respiratory issues like asthma or bronchitis, incorporating cardamom into your diet could provide some relief. Cardamom has expectorant properties that help clear mucus from your airways, making it easier to breathe. The anti-inflammatory compounds in this spice can also reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, alleviating symptoms like coughing and wheezing. Cardamom's antimicrobial properties help fight off respiratory infections by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and viruses. This makes it an excellent natural remedy during cold and flu season. To support your respiratory health, try inhaling steam infused with cardamom essential oil or sipping on warm cardamom-infused milk before bed. You'll likely notice an improvement in your breathing and overall respiratory function. For a powerful respiratory tonic, you can prepare a mixture of honey, lemon juice, and ground cardamom. Take a teaspoon of this blend a few times a day to soothe your throat and clear your airways. Now that you're aware of these incredible benefits, you might be wondering how to incorporate more cardamom into your daily routine. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Cardamom tea. One of the simplest ways to enjoy cardamom is by making cardamom tea. Just crush a few pods and steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor if you'd like. Smoothies. Add a pinch of ground cardamom to your morning smoothie for an exotic twist. It pairs well with fruits like mangoes, bananas, and berries. Baking. Cardamom is a popular spice in baking. Try adding it to your cookie dough, cake batter, or even bread recipes for a unique flavor profile that's both sweet and slightly spicy. Savory dishes. Don't forget that cardamom works well in savory dishes too. Add it to curries, rice dishes, or marinades for meats to elevate the flavors with its aromatic touch. Chewing pods. For quick digestive relief or fresh breath, simply chew on whole cardamom pods after meals. It's an easy way to get an instant dose of its beneficial compounds. Spiced water. Add a few crushed cardamom pods to a bottle of water and let it infuse overnight. This spiced water is a refreshing and health-boosting drink you can enjoy throughout the day. So get this, scientific studies have shown that the essential oils in cardamom can actually stop the growth of different bacteria and fungi. It's like this spice has some serious germ-fighting powers. And here's something really cool. Cardamom might help lower your blood pressure. There's this study published in the Indian Journal of Biochemistry and Biophysics that showed how participants who consumed cardamom saw a noticeable drop in their blood pressure levels. Okay, let's get real for a second. While it's pretty rare, some folks might be allergic to cardamom. If you've never used it before, it's smart to start with just a small amount to see how your body reacts. And if you have gallstones, it's a good idea to chat with your healthcare provider before you go all in on cardamom. It can stimulate bile production, which might not be great if you've got gallstones. Always better to be safe, right? So why should you consider adding cardamom to your diet? Well, aside from its delightful flavor that can elevate both sweet and savory dishes, the health benefits are simply too good to ignore. This ancient spice is a natural remedy packed with antioxidants, essential oils, and bioactive compounds that can improve your overall well-being in multiple ways. If you found this video helpful and you're excited to try out cardamom for yourself, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. We're always here to bring you more tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. And before you go, be sure to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these amazing insights into cardamom. Let's spread the knowledge and help everyone achieve better health naturally. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video.